afternoon, everyone. My name is Shelly Hoson Alvaro from Batasan Hills KB Center. So this afternoon, I will be talking to you po the products of Atomy. So let's go because we have 45 slides. So bibilisan ko na lang po because I have only 25 minutes to talk about it. Okay po. So the products of Atomy, we have a wide range po of products. We have health, beauty, home, personal care, and food. So these products po are called absolute quality and absolute price. So pag sinabi pong absolute quality, it's not just high quality, it's perfect product. So this is the product po na hindi po nyo matutumbasan ng kahit anong product po na mamimit nyo po outside. So dito po sa atin, sino po yung naghahanap po ng mga high-quality products? Pwede pong pataas po yung kamay nyo. Yan. So you want to give the high-quality products for your family. Tama po ba? So congratulations to all of you because you're here in Atomy and you have already met the best products po that you could give for your family. So please po, palakpakan nyo po yung mga sarili nyo. Especially po dun sa mga first-time members who are here. So it's also called absolute price po kasi ito po yung mga products po na may presyo na sapat lang po dun po sa product na iyon. So it's not too cheap but it's not too expensive po as compared po dun sa mga products na mabibili po natin outside or sa mga mahalin pong products po na mabibili po natin. Okay, so these are our products. We have Hemuhim, health products, beauty products, personal care, and home products and food. So makikita niyo po yung mga yan. So we have lots already in the Philippines, but it's not actually lots. Kasi po, in Korea website, hundreds of products po ang meron doon. And we hope that in our country, madadagdagan pa po yung products po natin. So excited po ba kayo doon? Yes! Okay, next. So these are the products that I'm going to talk to you this afternoon. The first one is Hongsangdan. Second one is Calcium and Absolute Cell Active Set. The first one po, Korean Red Ginseng Spherical Granule Atomy Hongsamdan. So, sino na po dito familiar po sa Red Ginseng? Taas po yung mga kamay nyo. Yan. So, familiar, konti pa lang po. So, Red Ginseng po in Korea, before Christ, 50 BC, Koreans are already using Red Ginseng po. At ito po yung first business nila before. They use it to trade it to other countries before Christ. Pa yung mga kingdoms, so nanonood po kayo ng mga Korean novelas, right? So, yun po yung first business nila. They are trading Red Ginseng kasi Koreans po have the best ginseng in all over the world. So, palakpakan niyo po yan. So we have two types of ginseng. We have Panax ginseng and American ginseng. So Panax ginseng is what we call Asian ginseng. So we have Japanese ginseng, Korean, Chinese, but po, Korea has the best and the most potent ginseng in Asia. So palakpakan niyo po yan. So Panax ginseng po is more on stimulant. Kaya po yung ginseng po ng Korean, they're using it especially for couples who want to get baby. Kasi stimulating po siya, maganda po siya sa mga mag-asawa po. American ginseng naman po, ang focus naman po ng American ginseng is more on relaxant naman po siya, pang-relax. So next, this is Korean red ginseng. It's not actually red. The first one po, it's fresh ginseng. Yung dito po, sa kaliwa, kanan, and sa gitna naman po is white ginseng, and the third is the red ginseng. So how do we know if the ginseng is good? So first one po, if 4-year-old and below po yung dito, yung nasa kanan. Yung gitna naman po is 4 to 6 years old, and red ginseng naman po dun sa dulo is 6 years old and up. And dito po sabi, the older the root, the higher its medicinal value because of the higher concentration of ginsenosides, which are the active chemical compounds of ginseng. So among the three po, the red ginseng that we have in our product po is the most potent and powerful ginseng. So palakpakan niyo po yan. So this is po the 20 mg per grams ginsenosides of ginseng substances includes, so yun po, some of RG1, RB1, and RG3. So what are these? So shortcut ko na po. So RB1 po, the most abundant ginsenosides present in ginseng roots. So mababasa niyo po yan sa Google. ncbi.nlmnhi.gov. So, legit po yan na website po yan. And neuroprotective role relieves oxidative stress. So, to those who are, pag meron po kayong history sa family nyo na yung nagkakaroon po sila ng Alzheimer's disease, yung pati pagbukas ng pinto, nakakalimutan how to open the door, or suddenly they go somewhere and they don't know how to go back to their house. So, please give your family member or start taking red ginseng because it's for your brain. And also po, cardiovascular, endocrine, immune system, chief component of neuroprotective or neuroprotection. And this RG1 and RG3, guys, ito po yung present sa most of the ginsengs you can find all over the world. But this is the good news. Sa red ginseng po ng Atomy, meron po siyang RG3 ginsenoside. So what's that for? Yung RG3 ginsenoside po is abundantly present in Korean red ginseng only. So what's this for? It's highly known for its anti-cancer effects. So nowadays, we know a lot of people. Last time we attended the Pampanga one-day seminar, 2 of our members, giving their testimonies, have their early stages of breast cancer. So it's too costly, di ba po, if you have that kind of sickness. So please po try Atomy Red Ginseng. This is the best ginseng po to fight against cancer and to kill cancer cells po sa katawan po natin. So the combination of these 3 may improve anti-cancer, anti-diabetic response, as well as for cardiovascular diseases and neurodegenerative disorders. Next po, so this is patented spherical granules. So, sino na po nakapag-try ng Hong Samdam po natin? So nakita nyo po, di ba? Yung granules niya, it's not powder, naka-granulize po siya. There is a reason kung bakit po ginawa po ng Atomy na naka-granule po yung ating ginseng. And then, red ginseng concentrate powder, 97% ang red ginseng powder, and 3% naman po yung coating niya. And 100% Korean red ginseng po siya, with no additives. And 20 mg per gram ginsenosides. So, yun po yung spherical granules are easy to swallow and convenient to carry. Sorry, hindi ko po kasi mabasa yung nasa harap ko, kaya dito na ako titingin. So, micronized red ginseng powder dissolves in water regardless of temperature and melts softly in mouth. So, nakapag-try na po tayo ng ating red ginseng, medyo mapait po siya, right? And para po siyang, mas mapait na po siya actually sa Hemuhim. So, this technology, they make it easy to be melted para kapag tinake po natin, hindi na po siya mag-i-stick sa bibig natin at mag-suffer pa po tayo ng lasa. Especially for those who are trying it for the first time, it's really not good, yung taste niya. So, kaya ganun po yung technology, yung ginawa dito, para matunaw agad siya sa ating bibig at ma-swallow po natin agad siya. And also, nami-melt din po siya kahit po sa room temperature na water and cold water. Which means to say po, wala po siya mga residues na maiiwan. It's really, that's the proof po, makikita nyo, na it's really 100% red ginseng. So, convenient packaging din po siya. Pwede nyo po siyang dalhin anywhere you wanna go. So, this is the patent po that we have in our red ginseng. When we say patented po yung product natin, it means it has a license. Parang kanta, parang books. When you copy it, pwede kang kasuhan, right? So, atin po, hindi po siya pwedeng kopyahin. It has a license. So, this is the design, the patent po. So, yung makikita yung granules, yung loob po niyan is 97% red ginseng concentrate powder. And the outside naman po is 3%, 100% red ginseng. Okay, so sino po maganda po mag-take nito? Doon po sa mga nag-aalala na magkaroon sila ng memory loss. So ayaw niyo po makalimutan ng mga utang ng mga friends or ano po, you take red ginseng. And who wants to improve blood circulation, who wants to experience the rich taste of red ginseng, and all family members can take this product for better health. So, red ginseng po, it's not only to be taken, you can also incorporate it to your soups. Masarap po siya. So, in our center po sa Batasan Hills, KB Center, we are cooking samgyetang, yung mga, ginagaya namin yung mga Korean food na may hemuhi, na may red ginseng. So, sa mga ayaw po mag-take, lalo sa mga bata, ihalo nyo po sa mga sabaw. mag-experiment po kayo, ang sarap po niya. And you can feel the difference, parang nakakalakas po siya, nakakatanggal ng pagod, nakaka-relax. You can serve it to your loved ones, to your husbands, and your family members po, pag stress, or bagong panganak, or may sakit po. So, yung isang box po ng ating red ginseng is 4,250 pesos only. Why only po? When you go and visit to Korean shops, you can see po mga ginseng products po doon. May nakita po akong isa na one box po is around 6,000 pesos, 10,000 pesos, and only 30 pieces. But Atomy po is 4,250. Ilan po alaman? 60. So, di ba po, mura siya. Pag first timer ka, parang mahal. Pero actually po, when you compare, this red ginseng po is an adaptogens. When we say adaptogen po, this is a kind of supplement that when you take it, your body will be able po to cope up with stress, whether it's mental or physical. So, kaya tinitake po talaga to ng yung mga nag-work po na sobrang nai-stress para hindi po sila, makakope up po sila sa mga stress and pagod po nila. So, the point value of this product po is 52,000 points. Meaning to say, pag bumili po kayo ng 6 na box, we have a challenge, right? I think dun sa mga members and leaders natin who are doing the challenge right now, so this is a good option kasi malaki yung points niya at mababa lang yung price niya. Okay, next is Atomy Calcium. Yung Atomy Calcium, so we all know calcium is good for bones. So we also have that in Atomy. So what is calcium and what does it do? It's a mineral that is necessary for life, forms bones, keeps them healthy, and enables our blood to clot, our muscles to contract, and our heart to beat. When we don't get the calcium our body needs, it's taken from our bones. So the risk of too little calcium, sabi po dito, if you don't get enough calcium, you could face health problems related to weak bones. So sa mga bata naman po, hindi nila ma-reach yung full potential ng height po nila. And adults may have low bone mass, which is a risk factor for osteoporosis. So kung ayaw nyo pong, di ba po as we age, parang lumiliit yung tao. Kasi po, ayun po, kulang po tayo sa calcium. So dito po sa atin, we have to take Atomy Calcium para po hindi po tayo lumiit or maging kuba po sa pagtanda po natin. At hindi po maubos yung mga ngipin natin. Okay? So according to a survey conducted by FNRI DOST, nearly 90% of Filipino households is not meeting the average calcium requirements. So imagine, 90% of people, Filipino people, is hindi po nila na-attain yun. Kaya lalo po tayong lumiliit. So calcium deficiency symptoms. So ito po yun, number 1, higher chance of developing osteoporosis, tooth decay, bone fractures, muscle tension, high blood pressure, hardening of the arteries and hypertension, and also inflammation sa mga joints po natin, sa mga sumasakit palagi ang tuhod, and PMS symptoms po, and indigestion. So these are some of the effect po if you lack calcium to your body. So ito po naman po yung Philippine Recommended Energy and Nutrient Intake. So mula bata hanggang pagtanda, kailangan po natin ng calcium. So from birth, 6 months and younger, they need 20 mg of calcium every day. For 12 months below naman is 400 mg. And children who are 1 to 3 years old need 500 mg. And children who are 46 years old need 550 mg. Children from 7 to 9 needs 700 mg, and 10 to 18 years old po they need 1,000 mg. So 2 capsule na po natin yon ng calcium po natin. And 19 to 49 and so on and so forth. So calcium and calcium supplements achieving the right balance. Calcium is important for bone health throughout your life. And although diet is the most ideal way to get calcium, calcium supplements may be an option if your diet falls short. Diba po? So, hindi talaga siya pwedeng mawala. Calcium and calcium supplements achieving the right balance. If you eat a healthy, balanced diet, you may find it difficult to get enough calcium. If you follow a vegan diet, have lactose intolerance, so di ba po, yung iba hindi po sila na umiinom ng gatas kasi na nagdudumi po sila with with milk. So this is your best option para po may calcium pa rin po kayo sa katawan niyo. So the good thing with our calcium, meron po siyang magnesium and vitamin D. So the purpose of this po is for your body to be able to absorb the calcium that you're taking. Kasi according po sa research ko, if you don't have vitamin D or magnesium, iiihin nyo lang po yung calcium na tinitake nyo. So that's the goodness of our Atomy Calcium. Palakpakan nyo naman po yun. So this is the kind of calcium is used. The raw material for calcium is from a type of red algae that grows naturally on the Irish coast. So the seaweed powder is calcified from the natural plant minerals of the Atlantic Ocean, which is said to have low industrial pollution. And the various minerals derived from this plant is formulated in a well-balanced state. So ito po yung ratio of calcium and magnesium po natin. 2:1. So the ratio of calcium and magnesium in Atomy Calcium is 2:1, which is said to be the best combination ratio of calcium and magnesium. So this is recommended for those who follow a vegan diet, those whose diet are said to be irregular and consumes large amount of sodium, those who have lactose intolerance and have a limited intake of dairy products, and those receiving long-term treatment with corticosteroids, and the young professionals who tend to take less calcium, and expecting mothers. So mga buntis po, they need to take it, and sa mga nagpapa-breastfeed. And middle-aged, menopausal women, and elderly people whose bones are prone to breakage. So mapapansin nyo po, yung malalaman nyo daw po na kulang po din kayo sa calcium. Di ba po meron kayong minsan, ewan ko, yung nung bata pa tayo, may white na lumalabas sa kuko. Tingnan nyo nga po yung mga kuko nyo ngayon. Before, sabi namin, pag may white yung kuko, pag nalaglag yung white, pera. Hindi pala yun. Sabi-sabi lang po pala yun. Lack of calcium po pala yun. Di ba meron, na-experience po ba kayo nun? Yung may white po yung kuko nyo, so it means you lack calcium. So meron po ba ngayon dito nun? Wala naman. Meaning, nagtitake na kayo ng Atomy Calcium natin. Okay. Next and the last one is our Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare. So, yung ating Atomy Absolute Skincare po is the best of the best skincare sa buong mundo. You will know that now. Okay, so hindi ko mabasa ulit. So this is the feature po. It has absolute delivery technology. Ito yung 2 added technology sa ating Absolute Cell Active. Itong first 2. And absolute ingredients technology. Meron po siyang 4 improved technologies and developed from the base green tea essential water and captivated by luxurious scent tuberosa extract. So ito po yung, meron po ang ating Atomy Absolute Cell Active Code. This is the code of ating Atomy Absolute. The first one is plant-based high-purity EGF. EGF is a cutting-edge technology in skincare products nowadays. Nowadays po, the most innovative skincare technology is added in our cell active set. So palakpakan nyo na po. What is EGF? EGF stands for Epidermal Growth Factor, which means if you apply po cell-active skincare to your skin, it will make your skin cells grow. So EGF po in other terms, this is the kind of technology na ginagamit po dun sa mga diabetic person na may mga sugat na hindi na nag-grow yung skin or nag-heal yung wound. So, wow, we have that in our cell active. So, kung yung tingin nyo po yung skin nyo is hindi na bumabalik or you wanted to go back sa pagkabata, you have to buy Cell Active Skincare Set. Apo, gawin niyo pong regalo yan sa sarili niyo this Christmas. Okay? You deserve it, right? Kasi nagtatrabaho po tayo and we're doing really our best. And the second one po is Dormin technology. Yung Dormin technology naman po, it's not, again, it's also latest innovative technology in skincare nowadays. Dormin technology po is a technology po na ang ginagawa niya sa cell natin, pag nag-divide yung cells natin, namamatay po siya agad. So as we grow old. But ang ginagawa po ng Dormin is pinapatagal niya po yung lifespan ng cells po natin. Next po, ayun, so next ko na. So ito yung mga technologies natin. High purification technology, fresh biotechnology, fermentation technology. I will focus on fermentation technology. Ito po yung they are fermenting the ingredients so that ma-utilize nung skin natin yung ingredient na yan. Kasi hindi lang porket fresh herb extraction technology is ma-absorb na yan ng system natin. It has to be fermented with this kind of technology para talaga magamit ng skin natin kung ano po yung ingredient na iyon. Next, concentrate microcomplex encapsulation technology. So naka-encapsule po siya kasi it has to be delivered to the areas. Hinahanap niya po yung areas ng skin nyo na broken. Okay, na kailangan pong gumaling. Okay, different from the base green tea essential water. Hindi po yung pang broken-hearted. Sa mga lang po, sa mga broken skin natin. Ayan. So, hindi lang po, ang ating pong Absolute Cell Active, guys, hindi po siya water. It is pure ingredient with green tea essential water at itong dalawang to. Kayo na po bahala mag-pronounce. Okay, next. Yung amoy niya po is so pleasing din and so talagang high class po yung ating scent ng ating Atomy Absolute Cell Active. So, okay, eyes here. Kailangan hindi nyo ito ma-miss. So, this is the first triple crown in the beauty cosmetic industry, guys. Wow! First ever skincare in the whole world na nakatanggap po ng gandong klaseng award. So what are these? So we have Jangyang Shield Award. What is Jangyang Shield Award? This is a kind of award given in all Korea for a kind of cosmetics po that has the most innovative and yung gumagamit, yung nanalo po sila ng pinaka-high-tech na technology and most effective technology po or skincare po dun sa sa bansa nila. So palakpakan niyo po 'yon. We have lots and lots of Korean products. Tony Moly, Misha, name it in the mall, you can see there, di ba? Kasi madami ng Korean products ngayon. But this Atomy Cell Active set has won the Jangyang Shield Award. And we also have this NEP certification. So tatlo po yan, nanalo po sa South Korea. And also it has labeled in saan po? In Dermatest, excellent 5-star, which means to say, it's approved for causing no irritation. So, ginawan siya ng mga test, laboratory test, kung pwede ba gumamit yung bata or So, wala, 100% no skin irritation po siya. By Korea Dermatology Research Institute. So, saan po kayo makakakita ng ganyang klaseng kagandang skincare? Sa Atomy. So, why are you not using it? So why are you not buying it? So this Christmas, di ba po? Bili na po kayo. Okay, para sabi nga po ng ating Crown Master last time, if you will be beautiful, you will be rich in Atomy. So thank you so much for listening. I hope may natutunan po kayo from me today. So this is again your Diamond Master Chelly Alvaro from Batasan Hills KB Center.